All right, we're unboxing shipment from Mithos. Don't know what kind of goodies they gave me. The joys of sponsorship. Thank you, Patrick. Thank you, Andrea. Thank you, Jason. Let's see what we got in here. Some goodies. Oh, hell yeah. Multiple Mithos hats. Yes. Give this to the sponsor kids. Mithos sunglasses. Heck yeah. Bunch of bags of goodies. Oh, some measuring kits. Perfect. And some Mithos lanyards. Another pair of sunnies. What? Heck yeah. Some business cards, some stickers, some t-shirts. Yes. Heck yeah. Mithos, Switzerland. Yeah. Which vehicle's a mess? Nice. Lots of goodies. Thanks, Patrick. I wasn't expecting this. Oh. Heck yeah. Endless amounts. Lots of measuring. Lots of stickers. Oh, heck yeah. Key thingy. Love the lanyards. Need lots of those always. Mithos, Switzerland, USA. And yeah. Patrick, you are amazing. Thank you very much. Mithos Racing, Mithos USA, Mithos North America, Mithos Switzerland. We really appreciate you. Thank you so much.